on this pullback. It did get down to 77. I should have been sitting there.
Want to do a really quick mic check. Can you hear me clear, Peter, Brian, everybody in the room?
Wow, jeez. Happen if you get a let's see if see what's happening with the yield curve here. TLT. Wow. Whoa. I didn't even look at that today. TLT is down huge, so that would mean that yields are up quite a bit, which is a terrible thing for tech. Tech typically doesn't do well in a rising interest rate environment. Let's see what if we can get something come up here. Let's look at the 10-year yield. Okay. Let's come back up. I don't know if that's updated or not, but anyway. All right. Let's go back to the scanners. Yeah, people are returning their toilet paper. That's funny. Yeah, don't need that anymore. Well, let's see here. What do we got going on?
So welcome to everybody out on YouTube.
Hello, YouTube friends. Welcome.
Yeah. Good day. Good day, mate.
Man, I should have gone Apple one more time. Look at that volume signal. Gah. Oh well, I'm still short Boeing here. Gonna take another partial at this moving average.
Yes. What are some of our other vehicle friends doing? Lee is just flat on the day. LI. What's Solo doing? Solo's up a little bit.
So we have a request for ACB. Your thoughts on it, Brian?
I was just looking at that. ACB. Honestly, pretty extended. Like most of the pot stocks, they've had 1, 2. This is a third day up, so hard to chase it here if you're really looking for an entry. I don't know that I'd really be too inclined to short it at the same time, just because that's a lot of the pot stocks now have maybe some wind at their back. But yeah, big reversal day today. Obviously gapped up over 13. Really extended on a lot of the indicators like RSI, stochastics, and Yeah, but we've had a pretty significant pullback, and we're now well down below where we opened the day, which is not really a good sign for the bulls. We're just on the daily chart. We're sitting right on the 200-day moving average, right on top of it. So this, we basically went, we ran basically right up into resistance around that 14 level. And now we're pulling back significantly. So I'd be looking for this to do some little bit more consolidation, chopping around here. I'm not seeing any huge pullbacks, but I think I got to let it settle out a bit. What have we got here? 24 minutes left. Snap selling off.
Seems John's BA trade worked out well.
Oh,
On the
John in VA as well?
wow.
Oh.
What's going on with Snap?
How are you trading Boeing, John? I'm short right now.
We shorted a little Snap here for a scalp. I'm going to cover some already. In case it snaps back.
Pun completely intended.
Wow. I know, really.
Oh, here, I have to turn my speakers on.
Okay, so now I'm back at my break even. On the rest of the trade. So let's see if it goes any higher. I'll have to bail on it. I'm bailing on it. That's the problem with trading late in the day. Things you never know what's going to be choppy and what's going to continue. CCL looks like it's going to go strong into the close here. Yeah, CCL's strong into the close. Is this it's getting, well, it's right at a level where it's had some challenges getting through before, but high is 19 on the day is 1986. You still got potentially quite a ways to run if it's going to go higher here.
I've gone long Apple again. To my folly, perhaps, but
Your folly.
taking a partial here.
Getting a bit of a
20.
bounce.
Yeah,
SPY's bouncing a bit.
come on. He came back and stopped me out.
Hmm.
Still short Boeing.
Amazon's another one that's down quite a bit on the day. Tesla, pretty flat. It's definitely got some dollar strength today, which of course hit some of the metals. Didn't really impact the energy sector though. Facebook's down quite a bit, eh?
Mm-hmm.
Was there some news on Facebook?
I don't believe so. I don't know. I hadn't really looked.
I noticed Baba and JD were down quite a bit. I don't know if that was just a rotation out of Chinese stocks and out into the US stocks.
Should have added the BA. Oh well. That's my next stop here. God, it'd be nice to get down to 181.70. Right on a level here. 15-minute. I don't know.
Huh. So energy could be up because maybe U.S. is going to impose more sanctions on Iran. Just reading through some of the news on Benzinga. SPY looks like it's going to head lower here. We've got more profit taking into the close. Roku's looking pretty weak here too, eh? What's Peloton doing?
So I'm going to try this one more time, but yep, I still have an echo. Well, I think you're going to have to take it out, Peter.
Oh,
I don't hear
well.
any.
Yeah, it sounds okay here, but obviously, Mike, on your end, you've got some echo going on. There we go. Come on, Boeing, let's keep going.
Come on, Bowen, let's keep going. Sounds like a cheer.
Oh, you've now made it into one.
I have.
Okay.
What's
Looking
TLT?
for...
Listen.
Yes. Holding on to my Boeing trade, looking for a partial if I start to see any pullback, thinking it's going to bounce at some point. I'm going to take a partial right here. Just watching that, and I missed my Apple opportunity. Oh, well, And look, of course, Boeing keeps going.
You're short Boeing now, right?
Yes.
Yeah, I would think that.
184.22. I don't think I'm sharing a screen. Here's my trade so far.
Well, it's going to be interesting to see how the day goes tomorrow, because we've really had, as far as if you're a bull, you can't be too happy with the way we're ending the day here, and certainly a lot of the stocks and sectors are really well off their opens. The tech sector is really under some pressure here. And SPY is continuing to sell off here.
Yeah, impressively so, actually.
Yeah. Here goes BA.
It's not a huge drop. This is the level I said I was looking for. I didn't have patience to wait for it, so I took my partial a little early. But
NEO is getting hit here. I don't know what to make of this sell-off.
Thanks, UVA. Wow, this market, it's continuing to...
Yeah, I just
got
a little SQQ here. Triple Q.
Gosh, I should have taken more size.
As the market continues to leak away here.
Yeah, took another partial on Boeing.
Yeah, it's a SQQ. It is a levered short ETF of the Qs. So popping up here. I'll take it. Here we go. Oh.
That's my, I decided to put a warning in for that 10-minute marker when things like to reverse on me, so that if I'm in a trade, I can pay attention to it.
Good idea. I'm a big fan of alarms too. I was an alarm set that for 10:15, 45 minutes into the trading day.
I do 10:30 or an hour in, but yeah, same concept on that. Reversal time, right? You're looking for your reversals.
Or reversals, or just a time when momentum is out of the scalping trades anyway.
Right. Apple's being pummeled here.
Here we go. Getting filled here on some SQQ. Q. SQQQ. How many Qs are there in that anyway?
I don't know.
Q. All right. Selling some here, 1960. All right. Peter, I think I've almost made enough money to pay for your Porsche this morning on that pellet short.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, you had a great trade on that. It really,
Yeah.
I mean, you got obviously a bigger move than you had expected, but, that's great.
Yeah, the way it just flushed away there. Unbelievable.
Wow, Apple is just being pummeled.
Yes, it feels like we're on that one of those rides at Disneyland.
Why did I not go short Apple?
Oh, look at the SPY. Oh my gosh. Well, look at Neo. Neo is really getting beaten here.
Mm-hmm.
Oops. Yeah.
$4. That's crazy. I got $4 a share on Boeing right now. Wish I had more of it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I know it is a very large gap to fill. Yeah. Oh, SPY. I don't know. There's no way SPY is going to green to red, but it sure. Man, oh man, is it selling off? Oh my goodness. Yeah, everything's kind of heading south here, eh? SPY's going to try to bounce maybe. This is kind of an area where it kind of took off from around, what time was that? Kind of took off around 6:45. But now it's, yeah. PLTR selling off, JKS selling off. Yeah, BA looks like it might have finding a bottom here. 5 minutes left. Just shorted some Neo to see if it gets, we get down to the VWAP here. Maybe not. Maybe it's going to hold here.
Wow.
There we
go.
Oh, come on. Come on. Come on. You can do it. 44. 44. Give me 44.
Just couldn't do it.
Yeah, I'm gonna covered my Neo. It's gonna pop probably. Couldn't sell off. Wow, look at this. SQQ is just ripping. Yeah.
Oh man, this is crazy. I didn't expect this big of a sell-off. I had no expectation that Boeing was going to get to VWAP on this short. Oh my goodness.
Yeah. I'll sell a little more SQQQ here. This is one heck of a wow, look at BA dropping like a stone still, eh?
Tell me about it.
Yeah,
Tell me about it. I'm happy on that.
Yeah, I'm thinking, people just...
I'm taking a partial here on Boeing.
I think they're just a little bit too enthusiastic about the way things are looking. Maybe, I don't know if that's it or not. Peter, will you be in line for the vaccine when it comes out?
Yeah, I don't know. Not right away, for sure. Let someone else be a guinea pig.
Yeah. They think COVID time is over, but I was just reading something that what's his name? Ostranger. He said we're about to experience COVID hell.
Okay.
Like with the the number of cases that are just, I mean, even in in Canada, they are going up significantly. I don't know what, I think in Ontario, aren't they going up quite a bit, Pierre?
Yeah, they are. And yeah, in different jurisdictions, but yes.
Yeah, same here on the coast. But I guess, where the US is really starting to take off. It's not a good thing.
So guys, we do have I assume that we have a trade of the day, but we'll do that right after the close, since we're just managing some trades here, and we've got just 2 minutes left into the close.
John, thank you for posting our earnings that are coming up here. We've got after the close, Beyond the Meat, Novax, Tilray, another pot stock reporting. We've got Nikola. That's I haven't had that up on the screen for quite a while.
Sorry, what is that one that's reporting?
Nikola.
That's what I thought. I thought you said this.
No, I think that's what we did say. It's had a pretty rough day here, down from about 1960 close on Friday, down about $1 today. And where do we got? We've got 1 minute left, and SPY is really looking like it's wow.
God, I got $5 on Boeing here. $5. I'm getting yeah. Oh. Had a little bit of that Apple reversal, but then I got stopped out again. I want to get over $5.
It's pumping. Wow. Look at the SPY sell off. It's crazy.
Okay. Taking it off there.
Still have some SQQQ. Anybody follow me in that trade? That was a really just a nice trade to hold on to here.
The SQQQ. There's the bell.
Too many Qs for me, Jennifer. Yeah, it's an awful lot of Qs there.
So Peter,
well, let's see what happens here.
Now Mike's quiet out there somewhere.
Yes. Now I don't have an echo. Can you hear me though?
Yeah, little faint.
Little faint. Yeah. Well, at
Yeah,
least I
but
don't
no,
have an
but
echo
can still hear you. Can still hear you.
So I'll go over the member trade of the day. At least I'll try to talk loud. Maybe it'll bring the voice up.
Yeah, we can hear that. We can hear you.
The got AV, got the member trade of the day, ABCD long pattern. Use the pre-market and then entered on the first minute for a break and took UAL up to a support and resistance level at 43.50 is where he thought it was going to get out. So it was a one and done trade for him. So excellent job by him. The member trade of the week goes to Jesse for his trade on plug. So excellent trade. That was the one got in on the first minute, took some partials, added back in, took partials on the way back up. So that was an excellent clean trade all the way up. So excellent member trade of the day. And then I'll
nice trade. Mike, can you just throw it up on the screen in the room so we can see it?
Oh, did it? Yeah, it didn't. I must have got stopped. Interesting. Let me.
For our members here, I'll take a quick screenshot and throw it in here so you can see that trade.
Yeah, there we go.
My goodness, excuse me.
We're back. So there's the member trade of the week, and then we have the member trade of the day over here. That was the one that was there for Avi today. So excellent ABCD pattern on that one. And then I'll turn announcements over to you, Peter, since I'm quiet.
Sure. Way to go, Avi. Nice member trade of the day. And of course, the trade of the week was good as well. As Mike is showing us, we have some earnings tonight. But if you want to submit a trade to be considered for member trade of the day, the process is the same as we've been describing it. So give us your trade. You have to have it in. If it's not in by time for the current day, don't worry. You'll still be considered for the next day. But what you have to do is tag at Bearable Traders, at Mike B_BBT, and at Norm BBT so that they can evaluate it properly and see it. And then use the hashtags hashtag BBT Family, Day Trading, and Stock Market. So when we will get your trades in so that you can be considered for the member trade of the day. As always, we've got webinars going on. We have 2 series of webinars we do almost every single week, which is our psychology and our success webinars. On the psychology side, this Wednesday we'll have Creda with us, to say her name properly. That's coming up on Wednesday the 11th. Now, it's an early time because she is in Portugal. She's our lost Scottish friend in Portugal. So she'll be doing that at 5 p.m. Eastern. So that's 1 hour after the market close. So remember that. And this week's webinar for our psychology side is going to be harnessing cognition for peak trading performance. So that's by Creda. And then next week on Wednesday, the 18th of November, we'll have cultivating equanimity. So that's going to be by Neda. Oh my God, Neda. Anyways, that will be back at the usual time of 8 p.m. All right. So this week, 5 p.m. on Wednesday. Next week, 8 p.m. on Wednesday. All right. That's for the psychology webinars. And then on the success webinar side, this Tuesday, we will have our friend from SMB Capital who will joining us. Seth is going to join us and talk about options. So if you're interested in a career in options or incorporating options into your trading, this would be the webinar for you. So join us this Tuesday. That's tomorrow night, the 10th of November at 8 p.m. And he'll be joining us to talk about that. And then next week, our very own, the Thor Master, the where, when, and the how of level 2 in VPA. We'll be talking about that. It's a popular topic. He's very successful with it. It's well worth listening to him, understanding how he leverages that. So that's on the 17th of November at 8 p.m. That'll be Thor talking to us about his VPA. As we've been mentioning, Andrew's book is now available in Spanish. You can get that off of Amazon or on Audible if you want to listen rather than read it. But there you go. Last but not least, if you want to join us, we told you that our lifetime membership deal was going away, and it has. So there's still opportunities, though. We'd love to see you in the room. Try it out. You will find it worth it at any price, I promise you. But if you want to join and just try us out, the normal test drive cost is $39 for a 7-day trial. By listening here, you can get access to that for only $24. Use the code PREMARKET24, and you can get a 1-week trial, including our onboarding courses happens Monday. So there'll be one this evening with Carlos. That is available, again, for only $24 using the code PREMARKET24. So if you're on YouTube, we'd love you to give us a like, and we'd love to see you in the room. So consider joining us. It's a cheap rate. It'll give you a feel, and you know, you'll make it back, I'm sure, in value in the first day alone. So consider joining us. And that's it. So now let's look at some earnings. We are into our earnings session here. I'm upset that I mistraded Apple a little bit, but very happy with my excellent trade on Boeing. So at least I ended on a high note with that Boeing trade. Very happy with that, actually. Good trade. Yay me. Give myself an old pat on the back there. I wonder if I actually could have caught Boeing on that big spike down. I don't know that I could have. That would have been after the closing bell, I think. Yeah, because I got it with like 24 seconds left. So that drop, $3 drop, probably was.
There's nothing really much. Seem to be.
Your mic is cutting in and out here this afternoon, Brian.
Not really sure what. I'm just looking at Nikola here. It just sold off, and now.
Yeah, Nikola is one of them. Tilray, Novavax, Beyond would be the big ones, I think, that we normally watch.
Yeah, it might be Benzinga. We have had Benzinga squawk on. Sorry.
Could be.
Yeah.
Nicole says it's continuing its discussions with.
See, there you go. See, now I can hear it. And it's not even here anymore.
Sure, my mic. So Tilray beat their numbers?
Yeah, Tilray did sort of beat. I think they were expecting a loss of 21, and they only ended up with a 2-cent loss. But what are they doing? They're popping up. They're kind of not doing much. But, you know, all these pot stocks have had big runs. So, you know, this report in isolation might have caused the stock to pop up. But since it's already up big from Wednesday last week when it was trading under $7, I don't think can expect a huge move out of it.
Yeah. So Novavax
is
Novavax missed. They have a big miss.
Yeah. Intracellular. I think
Easy for you to say.
I know it is. Donkey Kong is continuing to. Man, did it ever sell off going into the close? Whew. Continues to kind of look a little weak here. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I think I'm going to call it an evening or call it an afternoon, where depending on where you are in the world. For me, it's afternoon. So hope everyone had a good day, and we'll catch everyone in the room tomorrow. Mike? try to keep warm down there.
I will. Don't worry, Brian. I'll try to at least.
Keep
In my
that hoodie
and
on.
all.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. You'll have to give us a heads up when the next cold snap hits so we can have a hoodie day again.
I will.
Peter, enjoy the rest of your evening, and we'll